Hi, I'm Vani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about why our phone volume is low and how to increase the volume of our phone. Now let's get into the video. Here I am listed few reasons for low phone volume. First, you're going to check for your don't disturb mode is in switch on. It is also cause for low phone volume. And the second one is turn off your Bluetooth. And third one is test your headphones. Hardware components sometimes may not work properly. And fourth one is use third-party applications like volume booster. And fifth one is close any open audio playing apps that was playing background. And the last one is for external speakers. You have to clean your external speakers with the soft objects like toothbrush or earbuds. Now by clicking the volume button up, you get this notification icon and try to increase all volumes. So it's automatically decreased in some situations, like when you use earphones or headset, the volume is automatically decreased. And we have another option, that is open dial pad in your phone and type these star these number, and now we'll get into the engineers mode. Here I am using the option hardware testing, then click on the audio, then volume, then voice. You have to increase UL gain. Don't increase more than 250. If you increase, your sound is automatically increased. And you can also increase audio record. Don't increase more than 250. We have another option, that is install a third-party application. Here I am showing which app I am using. It's a volume booster. I am installing this, and now I am opening the app volume booster. Here it provides some warning, so click on OK. You have to increase boost. Don't try to increase more than 50%. because it's harm to your ears. More than 50 sound is harm. If you need more technical and gaming related information, please visit our site gossipfunda.com. It provides plenty of information regarding gaming and technical. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you.